How to join the Rematch beta early. If you are looking to try out Rematch before it's officially launched, this video is a quick guide to getting early access through the beta program. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. So let's get started with the step number 1. In step number 1, head over to the official Rematch beta sign up page and complete the registration form with your details. Keep in mind that spots are limited and offered on a first come first serve basis, so don't wait too long. In step number 2, watch your inbox after signing up. Be sure to check your email for a confirmation message. If you don't see it, take a look in your spam or junk folder. Users with Outlook or Hotmail accounts have occasionally experienced issues, so you may want to use a Gmail or Yahoo address instead. The first phase of a beta began in April 2025 and was able to PC users. A second wave is expected shortly after opting to players on PC. PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series access to those who pre-order the game will be granted entry to an exclusive beta period that includes a brand new game mode. If you are a streamer or gaming content creator, you can apply for early access by joining the Rematch Creator Program. Get registered, stay alert for emails, and prepare to take the field. Let me know if you liked the video in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.